Hadin ke jing penpau jong Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma haga yeng dorbal thau an ke Jylla Assam uloang ba ke Shnong Mukroh ka Hapoh uput usam ke Jylla Assam. Haba keren halor ke nie shkilat pathai kubor nakaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya uba Prestone Tynsong uloang ba kalong Kaba Shai ba ke Shnong Mukroh ka Hapoh uput usam ke Jylla Meghalaya hadu ke nie ke kenti bermentah.
Our stand is very clear. Mukroh is well within Meghalaya. It is very, very clear, and it is even till this moment under the position of Meghalaya. So it is very clear, Mukroh is well within Meghalaya.
Shushu ulaong.
We have already made it very clear to the people of the state that the second phase of talk will start very soon. So we will work it out accordingly.
Habakren halo ka jing penpau Himanta Biswa Sarma ban kam ben baka Mukroh ka Hapoh uput usam ka Jylla Assam wat hapadeng badang yat ka jing pen ben ya kani kamat uba Prestone uloong.
I don't know why the such statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, because now we are in the process of stepping into the second phase of talk. I personally feel he should not say that. It is very unfortunate if he would have made the statement inside the house. But let me tell you one more thing, and very clearly that Mukroh area falls under Meghalaya.